story's title is One Earth, written by Eileen Spinelli, illustrated by Rogerio Coelho. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. One wide sweeping sky, 2 honeybees. 3 bunnies in a nest, 4 redwood trees. 5 clumps of yellow flowers, 6 turtles snoozing. 7 dolphins in the sea, 8 seagulls cruising. 9 worms underground, 10 fields to plow. Celebrating Earth, counting backwards now. 10 scraps of litter, toss them in the trash. 9 empty bottles, turn them in for cash. 8 plastic grocery bags, weave them into mats. 7 towels getting thin, good for shelter cats. 6 flannel shirts too old, cozier than new. 5 lamps to light a room, try to use just 2. 4 pairs of socks with holes, you can learn to sew. 3 avocado seeds, plant and watch them grow. 2 broken bicycles, fixing can be fun. Almost finished counting now, we are down to 1. 1 moon. 1 sun, 1 earth, so beautiful. Remember, only one. The end. Happy Earth Day.
Thanks for watching. For more exciting read aloud stories, please subscribe to our channel Little Hearts Super Kids. Also follow us on Instagram for amazing updates.